In several places in the book of Acts, Luke writes in the first person using we, as in we did this or that. If he was right there, why are so many disparities between what he writes in Acts and what Paul writes in his own letters? First, we want to more readily comprehend the we entries. They have perplexed researchers for a very long time. They have presented with no great reason. So the pursuit is left to despise the significance of these accessories all along. Fundamentally, researchers have limited to a few options. It could slow that Luke was available. He writes in Luke chapter 1 verse 3 that he has expected everything cautiously prior to recording it. This could be an illustration of how he did that. Then again, it could imply that he was utilizing a composing source from another person, and he was being devoted to the observer. All things considered, he would stick with what he wrote in Luke was being in Luke chapter 1 verse 2 with regards to the individuals who were observers and workers of the word. Scholars know that involving such sources was a satisfactory practice in ancient history. Scholars suggest that there is, all by accounts, not a great explanation for utilizing we. A couple of times it shows up. Solomon does, the creator, encroach into the text. The main example of we happens when Paul is kept from going into Bithynia. Whenever he would see the vision, we promptly attempted to move over to Macedonia by pursuing that God had called us to broadcast the uplifting news to them. Acts chapter 16 verse 10. This is an extremely harmless section. Securely the extreme emotion one could anticipate from customary show.